Hello! So today it is going to be an acrylic pour video, and I am going to be doing a split pour on a 24 by 30 inch No, that's incorrect. It's a 24 by 36 inch canvas. Lydia. And that's what we're going to be getting into. In the meantime, check these socks out. So I've got these art socks. I'm going to look. It's Starry Night on one leg. And then I got, this is a little, I'm just gonna lean up against, I got this Scream. Can't even see it on that side. Why can't you see it on that side? I got the Scream on this sock. So I've got art socks on, and thought I'd share that with you. Alright, well, I'm Lydia Broderick, and welcome to my weird channel. So today I'm going to be working on an acrylic pour, and I'm going to kind of play around with some colors and put a splash of bright color in it, which is something that I don't usually do, but I have this huge canvas. Well, it's not like ultra huge or anything, but it's a 24 by 36. So it's going to be the largest pour that I've done so far. And it's going to be a split pour, so we're going to have some fun.
1, 2, y 1, 2, 3, y... Bueno, sí. Camina. Rico, rico, rico. Y como dice mi coro que sigue ahí. Escucha mi salsa buena, abre la ventana. Escucha. Ahora estamos gozando hasta la mañana. Salsa buena, abre la ventana. Ahora estamos gozando hasta la mañana. Melodía, melodía. Escucha mi salsa buena, abre la ventana. Ay, escucha mi salsa ahora. Ahora estamos gozando hasta para bailar, para gozar, qué rico está. Escucha mi salsa buena. Ahí yo te traigo la salsa buena, es la verdad. Ahora estamos gozando hasta la mañana. Bueno, mira, escucha ahora. Si escucha mi salsa ahora, mi salsa para bailar. Este ritmo tan sabroso, el ritmo para guarachar. Yo te canto con sentimiento y manana te lo voy a dar. Muévese con sabrosura, abre la ventana para respirar. Escucha mi salsa buena. Yo te traigo mi salsa ahora. Ay, nada más. Bueno, escucha de nuevo, mira. Los tambores se están arrollando, la banda está en candela ya, todo el mundo está bailando. Ven, ven, mi gente, vamos a gozar. Muévense con mi ritmo, un paso para adelante y un paso para atrás. Muévense con sabrosura, abre la ventana para respirar. Escucha mi salsa buena. Te traigo ahora. Estamos gozando. Ahí a Nueva York, a La Habana, donde quiera. Mi salsa buena. Sí, yo te traigo la salsa buena para guarachar. Ahora estamos gozando. Ahora sí, allá se fue melodía. Sabroso, qué rico está. Muchas gracias, mi gente. Sabroso, cha cha cha.
So it has been 3 days of drying time for this acrylic pour, and I am in love. It actually kind of looks like a fiery asteroid is plummeting into the ocean. And yes, I am wearing my fuzzy bathrobe because it is cold and I heard tell of a blizzard coming this way tomorrow. About to get about 2 feet of snow, possibly. Hoping that's a lie. I'm also hoping that the 80-mile-per-hour wind thing is a fib. Not thrilled about that. Anywho, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like this color combination. I will be listing in the description all of the colors that I used and the brands of paint. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And there was something else I was going to say, and I'm sure it was quite brilliant, but I can't remember what the hell it was. I'll see you next time. Bye! I feel like I should have a lightsaber. I don't. I'm just gonna lean up against. Oh! It does not need to be right there. Calm down. This robe matches my hair. It's all about coordinating.